All right, folks, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay Will. So I got a nice set of Bluetooth speakers here. Now, I'll admit, when I first saw the photo of these, I was like, oh, these are going to be so nice. They look really big on the photo on Amazon. But these are super small, man. I did not know they were going to be this small. But it is what it is. So you get this little manual here. You can see it's got a 400 milliamp hour battery built in. These are wireless Bluetooth speakers here, and there's two of them in here, and they are super small, man. So if you're in your office or something and you want to have a nice little setup for some speakers, these are super cool. So you can see the little charging dock on there. There's a power button on that one, and power button on that one. But that is how they go. Crazy cool, man. This is off the charts. So in the box also, looks like you get a little bag and a little charging cable, and that's pretty much it. So really cool little speakers. I'm gonna test them out for you right now and tell you what I think about them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get one of my trusty little power banks and get this thing set up so I can have it close by. Yeah, but these are a lot smaller than I thought they were gonna be. Little wireless charging, super cool though. Don't they look really cool, man? You almost want to call them cute. I don't use that word very often, but here's how it will look. I just got a little power bank here. Put them on, so then you can see this. It turns red right there, and then you pop these on, and there's a little red indicator on the sides there that let you know that they're charging. Probably kind of hard to see on video with all the LED lights, but let's power these on. So you can see there, they might be kind of loud, man. So let's grab a phone here. I'm gonna grab the Mi Mix since I got it right here. All right. I'm gonna go to settings and get one powered, and you'll probably just power these up and then you turn the other one on to connect it. So it's refreshing here. It's in Bluetooth pairing modes. So there they are, the F1s. More than likely that's them, because I don't know anything else with F1 that will pop up. All right, it's powered on. So then let's power this one on. And then should pair to that one. This one's in pairing mode still. All right, so it looks like it went ahead and paired to this one. And let's go ahead and test out some music. I don't have to put them on here. I just wanted to show you the charger. I think that's pretty cool. But these little stereo setup here, man. So one is definitely gonna have to be paired to the other. This is the primary right there. So let's see if I did that right. Let's get some music going here. Let's get into my Apple Music here and go down to the song that I always play, folks. The name of this song, the title of this track is called Heartbeat, and it's in the description of the video. So if you want to use it for yourself, see if I can get it to play here. Yep, they're both playing. So this is gonna be something for like your office or something. These are super quiet, no bass, but a lot of highs. And they're definitely on. Really cool looking little Bluetooth speakers, man. Stereo. You can see how I paired those up. I powered one on, paired it, then powered the other one on, and then connected to that one. If you want to charge them individually, you can do so right there. See the little happy face? I know you see it. But this is a stereo set of Bluetooth speakers, folks. These will run you, right now they're on special. So there's a coupon at the checkout before you check out. When you're looking at the link in the description, these are actually $54 though. So, you know, you determine, you know, if that's worth your money. $54, and then there's a $5 coupon off right now if you check that box before you check out. But they charge wirelessly, so that's super cool. Little happy face. And they charge. And they're charging. I'll see you guys in the next video.